Autofanatic. So I washed my car last night, and this time of year we get massive amounts of pollen, and the car is absolutely disgusting. There's green dust all over it. You guys can see that there. I throw some photos in the video now from earlier this morning. You can see the pollen a little bit worse. I just got back. We're probably going to get more rain because it seems to rain every single day now, but I'm just going to do a quick maintenance wash. The car is not actually dirty. The wheels are clean. Used the autofanatic wheel cleaner yesterday, so they're perfectly clean. There's no issues with that, so I'm not even going to bother with the wheels. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys something a little different. I'm going to be mixing the Griot's Garage Boss Foaming Surface Wash and the Griot's Garage Foaming Polygloss together in the Griot's Garage Boss Foam Cannon. I'm going to go 50-50. I'm going to take out the metering valve system. I'm just going to use it full strength. I'm actually pretty much out of soap anyway. And I'm going to foam the car, let it dwell. I'm going to power wash it off real quick. Then I'm going to hit it with the autofanatic 007 Gloss Enhancer. And it's really been my little trick since the stuff came out a year ago, that it reduces the static electricity and it reduces the dust and pollen buildup this time of year. And that's exactly what I want. So let's go over to the workbench. I'll show you guys exactly how I'm going to mix this up. Okay, so here we are. I just pulled the end. I pulled out the metering tip from the Boss Foam Cannon right here. So we're going to leave that to the side. And my gallons are pretty much empty, so I'm just going to pull the pumps out just to make it a little bit quicker to fill this up. Okay, we're done with that. I actually have new gallons coming any day now. And we're still working on the autofanatic snow foam, but it's taking a little bit longer than expected. And I got a couple of more chemists involved right now because I'm very particular on what I want that solution to do. So here's the foaming polygloss, the remainder, and that's it. So this solution, since this soap came out last summer, has been my go-to quick maintenance pollen removal wash little trick. The foaming polygloss really helps with the lubricity and also breaking down the surface tension and eliminating the static electricity effect you get with pollen and dust on the car. And then when you dry it with the autofanatic 007, it just takes that and kicks it up a notch by like 100%, and we're good to go. So let's get the crans fired up, and we're going to get this foamed up right now. And the revised Boss Foam Cannon works really, really well. So they finally fixed it. Let's go to the roof. In the Griot's Foaming Polygloss, the polymer is why the foam is so thinned out. If I didn't add that in there, it would be a much thicker foam right now without the metering system. Alright guys, so I let it dwell for a couple of minutes. I actually have my pivoting pressure washer tip with a 40-degree nozzle, and it's actually going to help just get the roof and everything. I'm holding the camera with my other hand, and I'm holding this with one hand. And you guys can already see the water sheeting and beading ability. And like I said, the polygloss really, really helps. guys could get a little idea of all the pollen that just came off this car and the soap runoff. See that there? Look at that. It's no agitation. That's it. We're done. So you can see the water beading and sheeting properties right now in the car. And you saw the pollen and all the junk that came off of it. So now all we're going to do is we're going to hit it with 007 right here. And I'm going to spray it liberally because, like I said, it's going to help with the pollen and dust sticking to the car. And you guys know, if you've used it, how awesome this stuff is, whether you use it dry or wet. Don't forget the windshield. So we're going to get the PFM towel and dry this car off. And I'm not going to use the blower specifically on this type of a wash. Alright, it's dry time. That's it, guys. We're all done. Knocked out maintenance pollen removal wash in 10 minutes or less. Like I said, you guys, I really suggest you should try mixing the two soaps, the Griot's Boss Foaming Surface Wash and the Polygloss. Mix it together in the foam cannon and see how this works for you if you live in a dusty environment like Arizona or Nevada, or you guys have a lot of pollen now that spring has finally kicked in with all the rain we've had. But like I said, I'm not going to go crazy. No tire dressing. Not going to clean the wheels, nothing like that. Just a quick maintenance wash to knock the pollen off the car. And this is going to be something that I'm going to be doing 4 to 5 times a week because I can't stand driving a green car, especially a black car that's covered in green. So see you guys soon. Try that tip of mixing the soaps in the foam cannon. And when you're done, hit it with some autofanatic 007. Pick some up in the store if you don't already have it. And I think you're going to be really surprised at the results and the maintenance and upkeep, and of course the gloss intensity. You can see it right there. The car looks incredible. See you guys soon. Please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned to the channel for more automotive content. Autofanatic@yahoo.com. I'll see you guys on the next video.